looking at some combination Chem Trails and apparently what they've turned into. I'm going to try to scan the sky. I know it's going to be kind of difficult from my position. You even see a little rainbow right there. You can see how they're forming today. It seems to be like a big stream that's going over the top of us, and it falls off into the distance over there. Very, very interesting and suspicious looking. You can see some leftovers of Chem Trails. There's one there. This seems to be one big, huge coming together of them, along with moisture in the sky and whatever else. It's again very suspicious looking. Just look at that. Look at that, how that forms up there. You can see an obvious chemtrail right there, and it stretches over. I'm going to try to get out of the sun because the sun's starting to penetrate in the middle of it. Very suspicious looking sky today. We'll see what it brings.